KCB odhial ayanga nyamburko kido mar Ford Fiesta R2 ma ibiro tiyogo gi dereba mar KCB Tinashe Gatimu e piem mar World Rally Championship madhi timore Naivasha kind tarik 12 kod 15 manodweni. Mari no kang ma bengi no kawo ma dhialo jok mamine modonje piem mag Safari Rally. Gatimu ma kinde mokalo notiyo gi nyamburko kido mar Subaru Impreza biro konyore gi min mare Caroline Gatimu kaka jalup dereba. Kamano en gima nyien e piem mag Safari Rally. Tiji ma ochung' ne uso kambi ma KCB Rosalinda Gichuro wacho ni gineno kaka bengi mondo mi gisiti Tinashe gi min mare kaka ranyisi ma jiwo jok mamine mondo mi odonje e piem mag Safari Rally.
The shift from the Subaru GC8 to the Ford Fiesta is a move in the right direction. The Ford Fiesta first of all, it's a sequential, so it's different from the H pattern. You pull to gear up, push to gear down, and it's also a more powerful car, even if it's a two-wheel drive, but it's still a good car because you don't rely on the four-wheel drive torque that you normally get.
KCB has always been about motorsport. We have been actively making a contribution to motorsport development for the last 2 decades. In the last 6 years, we have been the official financial partner of the WRC. And for us, it is part of our DNA. We're all about sports and investing in sports. Today is particularly exciting because Tinashe and Carol Gatimu represent one of 5 regional drivers that KCB is sponsoring.